Good day everyone. So this is the presentation of Group 7, SWOT Analysis and Competitive Assessment. SWOT Analysis and Competitive Assessment. SWOT Analysis, Restaurant SWOT Analysis, Competitive Advantage, SWOT-based strategy formulation. What is SWOT analysis? A technique that enables a group or individual to move from everyday problems and traditional strategies to perspective. SWOT analysis look at your strengths and weaknesses and opportunities and threats your business faces. The SWOT analysis framework is a very important and useful tool used in marketing management and other business applications. As a basic tool, its mastery is a fundamental requirement for the marketer, entrepreneur, or business person. What is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis is a business strategy for success. Ina-assess or ginaguide nito yung isang business current position before they decide on any new strategy. So basically, dapat maintindihan natin yan para magkaroon tayo ng victory. Bakit kinakailangan natin ng SWOT analysis? Para ma-analyze natin ang ating company kahit na maliit na negosyo lang yan. So, ano nga ba yung SWOT? SWOT analysis stands for Strength, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. Ang SWOT analysis is tumutulong sa iyo para mas maintindihan mo ng maayos on how to play with your strength and ma-manage mo yung weaknesses ng isang business. As well as, it uncovers your opportunities para sa growth at na-eliminate yung mga threats that could keep you from moving forward. Strength and weaknesses both include in international factors. Ano ang mga nangyayari sa loob ng kumpanya mo or business mo, it is within your control. For example, strength ko, magaling ako sa math kasi accountant ako, ang strength ko kaya kong mag-compute ng mga financial statement. Ano naman ang weaknesses ko? Dahil nga isa akong accountant, kunyari kulang ako sa selling, nahirapan ako. Ngayon, kailangan malaman ko yan kasi parte yan ng pagdinegosyo. Kailangan matuto ako ng financial statement, kailangan matuto din ako ng selling. Haalamin ko or inaalam ko yan para kung saan ako i-improve o dapat ano yung i-improve ko. Kailangan ko malaman yung weaknesses para yung weaknesses is ma-turn into strength and ngayon, itong mga strength ko, dito ko mabibuild yung mga negosyo. Ibig sabihin, ito yung magiging competitive advantage ko. Dito ka magpapalakas pag na-introduce mo. Ito yung hinahanap mga customer na ngayon, iisipin nila, unahin nilang piliin ang company mo kapag meron kang mga kakompetensya. So basically, dapat nating aralin, tanggapin natin na kailangan nating mag-improve o improve. Wala kasing perfect, kailangan nating harapin, ayusin para sa negosyo. While opportunities and threats both include in external factors, yung mga nasa labas ng kumpanya or business mo na wala sa kontrol mo, ibig sabihin, outside factors. For example, opportunity, may kilala ka sa munisipyo, yung parents mo may mga connection or kaya may mga dati nagtatrabaho sa munisipyo. Ibig sabihin, kapag magnenegosyo ka, meron kang opportunity yung mga kakilala mo sa munisipyo. Ano naman yung treats? Example, sa park, doon ka magtitinda. Kaya lang may treats doon like bawal magtinda ng alcohol, magtinda ng sigarilyo kasi may mga ordinance dito. Kahit nga park yun, may batas. Ibig sabihin, may mga dapat kang baguhin sa negosyo mo. Pero don't worry kasi treats lang naman yan. You will turn them into opportunities. Kung bawal ka magtinda ng alak, magtinda ka ng mga buko juice, magtinda ka ng pampamilya kasi pampamilya yung mga parke eh. So sa mga treats na yan, maraming nabubuo ang bagong negosyo. Yung mga dapat nating alamin at hanapin na magkakaroon tayo ng mga opportunities dahil sa mga bagong pangangailangan sa mga complaints, mga concern ng community. Huwag matatakot kasi initially pwedeng masira o mamatay yung ating business. Pero if we keep studying, mag-research, tapos alamin ang mga nangyayari, yung treats na yan will be turned into opportunities. Yung mga complaint na yan, dyan na-develop yung maraming magandang negosyo eh. Strength is positive and answers the question, what we best at. Weaknesses, on the other hand, is negative and answer the question, what do we need to improve on. Opportunities is positive and answers the question, what weaknesses of our competitors can we use to our advantage. Lastly, threats, which is negative, and answer the question, what economic, social changes and legal changes can affect us.
Restaurant SWOT analysis. Restaurant SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used to evaluate a restaurant competitive position by identifying its strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. And the first is business operation, and the second is customer service, and the third is food quality, and the fourth is market competitions. And the primary purpose of conducting this analysis to help restaurant owner improve performance and development strategies to build on strengths, address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. For example, weaknesses might include high ingredients costs or an outdated cost system, while opportunities could involve growing demand for certain meal types and technologies. And this is the strength of a restaurant. And the first example is delicious and unique menu, and the second is friendly and trained staff, and the third is good location, and the fourth is affordable pricing, and the fifth is clean and attractive ambience. Then weakness of a restaurant. And the first example is limited options, and the second is slow service during peak hours, and the third is lack of online presence, and the fifth is small seating capacity. And these are the example of opportunities for a restaurant. And the first is food delivery apps, Grab, Food Panda. And the second is social media marketing. And the third is new food trends. And the fourth is expanding franchise. And the fifth is catering services. And then the threats of a restaurant. And the first is strong competitors. And the second is rising food prices. And the third is changing customer taste. And the fourth is economic problems. And the fifth is health regulations.
Competitive advantage. Ang competitive advantage ay isang dahilan kung ba't mas pinipili ng mga customer ang isang negosyo kaysa sa mga kalaban nito. May katangian o paraan ng isang negosyo na nagpapaganda sa serbisyo o produkto nila na nagpapanatili sa kanilang mga loyal customer. Types of competitive advantage. Cost advantage. Isang negosyo na kayang magbenta ng isang produkto o serbisyo sa mas murang presyo kumpara sa iba. Differentiation advantage. May kakaibang produkto o serbisyo ang isang negosyo na hindi basta-basta makikita sa iba. Focus advantage. Ito ay nakapokus lamang sa isang particular na grupo o market.
SWOT-based strategy formulation. Number 1, using SWOT to make strategies. Number 2, use strength to grab opportunities. Number 3, improve weakness. Number 4, protect against threats. Ang ibig sabihin daw po ng SWOT ay strength, weakness, opportunities at threats daw po. Ginagamit daw po ito upang matukoy po kung ano ang lakas at kahinaan po ng isang negosyo. Pati na rin po ang mga oportunidad at mga issue po mula sa kapaligiran. Sa SO strategy, strength opportunity naman po. Use strength to take advantage of opportunities. Example, a popular restaurant uses social media to attract more customer. Example nga po nito, halimbawa po, ang isang sikat na restaurant ay gumagamit ng social media upang makahikayat po ng mas maraming customer. Sunod naman po is yung WO, strategy, weakness, and opportunity. Use opportunities to overcome weaknesses. Example po ito. A restaurant with limited space uses online delivery to increase sales. Dito naman po, ginagamit po ang mga oportunidad upang malampasan po ang mga kahinaan. Halimbawa po, ang isang restaurant na may limitadong space lang po, ay gumagamit po sila ng online delivery upang mapataas po ang kanilang mga benta po. Ang next naman po is yung strategy, strength trait. Use strength to avoid threats. Example, strong brand loyalty helps survive strong competition. Yung halimbawa po, ang matibay na brand loyalty po ay tumutulong po sa negosyo upang makasabay po sa mga trend po. Okay. Next naman po is strategy, weakness and threats. Reduce weakness and avoid threats. Example, improving service quality to avoid loss. Dito naman po ay ang focus daw po nila ay mabawasan po ang mga kahinaan at iwasan po ang mga issues po. Halimbawa po, pinapabuti po nila ang kanilang service upang hindi po sila mawalan ng mga customers. Next naman po is why SWOT is important in business. SWOT helps business to plan effectively. Number 2, reduce risk. Number 3, competitives. Improve competitives. Number 4, achieve long-term success. Nga po, ang SWOT analysis daw po ay mahalaga daw po dahil ito po ang nagsisilbing gabay po ng negosyo sa paggawa po ng desisyon at para po sa pagpatuloy na pag-unlad po ng isang negosyo.